In this video, we're going to look at some important settings that you may want to have turned on when you're sharing your boards with students. To get to settings, you're going to go up to the top right and you're going to click on the little gear. And here you can see the settings that you have for your boards. Now, the settings you adjust here will be for all of your boards. Now, one of the first ones I like to change is this one right here, the default size for the class. The default is up here at 2000 by 1280. That is really large and the kids can have a hard time. But look, you can adjust it for an iPad. I usually put it on a Chromebook if I'm going to have kids on Chromebooks, but I keep mine on medium. Okay, you can adjust the font. You can adjust the default tool for the class. So currently it's on a brush. So as soon as the Whiteboard.Chat loads, they have the ability to start with the brush. You can change it to move and resize or select. I like to leave it on the brush. Another thing you can do is customize the tools that they have access for. And that's talking about the tools that are on this left-hand side. So if it's getting overwhelming for them to have all of these, then you can click to disable some that you would like to disable. Okay. Whoops, let me go back to here. All right. But another cool thing is if you're working with younger aged students, you can set it here. So like if I turn this on, it's going to set it so that they only see some simple tools. They're not going to see every tool over here, just a few of them. And this one over here, students see very simple tools. This one is great for like your pre-K and kindergarten because all they're going to have access to over here is the ability to draw, erase, move, and write text, because this can be overwhelming for some of our students. Now, I don't usually recommend turning on logged in users can join, because that means they're going to have to log in through through Google. You could do that, but one that you're going to want to make sure is turned on is this one right here. Students can only draw on their own individual boards. You can enable webcam video recording if they have a webcam on there. You can enable the enter in text box if you want, but just lots of, this is a cool one here, enable speech to text so that they can open a text box and they can click on a little microphone and it will type what they are speaking. This would be great for dyslexic students and students with 504 accommodations. Just lots of things. If you want to invite a co-teacher, you can click show co-teacher invite by clicking here. It gives you a link and you can copy this and email it to a teacher so that they can join your board and be a teacher on there as well. All right. And then the last thing is down here. I'm already signed in. You will need to be signed in if you're going to plan on saving your boards. This is very important. So you will want to sign in. So always make sure that you sign in with Google. Once you make any changes, you just click save and you're finished.